when you not playing about getting your motherfucking hair done. Like, I'm out this bitch looking like Simba. I'm getting this shit done today. Alright, y'all. Good morning. So, yes, I'm being super fucking illegal right now. I'm on my way to get my hair done. So, I told you about this fucking snow, right? I don't know if you can see. I made my little brother get the fuck up this morning and shovel my car out so I could go run and get my hair done. Like, y'all don't even understand. Y'all don't understand. Like, I need my hair done. I have to have my hair done. I leave soon. Like, I don't have another option. I don't. So, this is what I'm doing. I had to squeeze myself at my parking spot, and I'm on my way to go pick up my hair, looking like Simba. But I'm getting it done. I am getting it done. No games are being played. And I'm gonna be cute. I'm gonna be cute, and I'm getting it done. I've never driven in the snow with this car, so it's different for real. But it's okay because I'm making it. I am making it, and I will be on fleek by the end of this video. So, god damn. I know y'all hear that. Can y'all see? Alright, y'all, so I had to go to my cousin's house and pick up my hair because my cousin is the only person that dyes my bundles. The only person. Because she never lets me down. Shout outs to you, baby. But, so, after I went and picked up my hair and all that, mind you, god damn, y'all should have saw that big ass chunk of snow that just flew across my car. But, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing? So I get all this shit together, out here skirting all over the fucking street. And then she told me that my appointment just changed it to 2:30 because she has an appointment at 12. And I wasn't able to get to her on time. But let me tell y'all what pissed me off. Why the fuck? Okay, y'all see what it looked like out here, right? Like, it's clearly snow out here, right? Why the fuck is she gonna ask me, am I late because of the snow? What? Huh? Am I late because of the snow? I mean, it's only a few inches. Just a few inches. No, I don't think it's because of the snow. What kind of... Y'all, let me tell y'all something about me. I hate when I'm asked a stupid question. Like, that's a pet peeve of mine. Like, if people thought about half the stuff they said before they said it, you know, it would save a lot of trouble, save you a lot of breath, save my anger, all that. I don't understand. But I'm gonna let that one go. I'm gonna let that one rock. But it just don't make sense. But anyway, I'm out this bitch. You know. I look so ridiculous. All this fucking hair on my head. All this hair, bruh. Struggle. But y'all already know, so I ain't even gonna say it. And I still said it anyway. Anyway, y'all, I'm contemplating if I want to get some of these before I go in the house. Yo, I mean, let's just talk about them, you know? Let's talk about them. I gotta chill. Anyway, I'm on my way home. I'm not gonna get one of these. I'm gonna just behave and do the right thing for real. But you an idiot. I hate when people be driving all reckless for no reason. You know it's snow out here. You know the ground is wet. Why are you speeding like that? Like, driving regular speed, average speed, okay. But you speeding on these motherfucking streets like it's not ice and shit all over the place. Y'all, people be pissing me off. People be pissing me off, and I just can't. I can't. Then the fucking salt dudes, the salt guys, they be doing dumb shit. Fucking only putting salt on certain parts of the goddamn road. What about the rest of the road? How are we gonna get to the part that you did put salt on if you didn't put salt on the other part? How are we gonna get through? Y'all, I'm gonna chill on people today. So I definitely took somebody's parking spot down the street because I'm not about to park in front of my house and get stuck again. Like, I got places to be. And I know the snow better not ruin me getting my lashes done tomorrow, because I'm not with the half of that shit. Right now I'm just sitting in the car down the street from my house, chilling, thinking about what I want to do for real. Because I don't know. But I got my hair, y'all. Ah! Yo, I look. I'm so ugly. I'm ugly and I'm washed out. I need a filter on this bed. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. So, I'm walking back to my house. And it's mad fucking snow. Why did I put my hood on? Shit. Motherfucking cold. Oh my God, y'all. I got the funniest story. Okay, so I just walked from my car from down the street to my house, right? And I had my hair in this bag, my weave. I get all the way to my door. Mind you, I'm like, through this snow, like SpongeBob for real. Yo, why the fuck I get inside my house and I lift up my bag? Only thing that's in here is my U-part. Oh my gosh. Hey, Brooke. Yo, only thing that was in there was my motherfucking U-part. So I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair, I dropped my hair. Yo, I'm freaking out. I hurry up, run, put my shoes on. I get to walking, and it was these Mexicans outside plowing the snow. So, you just being nosy. It was these Mexicans out here plowing the snow. So, when I went back out to go find my hair, it's right by them, and it was like this close to my fucking weave, yo. They was about to shovel my weave. Don't appreciate it, yo. I seen it. I was like, wait, no, my hair. Yo, OD funny. I was like, no, my hair. Wait, I gotta get my hair. They're like, oh, hold on. I was like, yo, please pass me my hair. And he was like, oh, sorry. I'm like, yo, I was about to be so hurt. I got there just in time, yo. And how the fuck I just let these fall out? Like, how did not? What? I was pissed. But I caught it. So I was like, I'm sorry, y'all. This is my hair. This is my weave for my birthday. Because I got to be on flick. I'm about to be looking bomb. And they was like, oh, it's today. And I'm like, nah, it's Thursday. But this shit was so fucking funny. Like, yo, that shit was so funny. I'm like, no, my weave. But I'm happy I saved my weave because I need this, y'all. I need this because y'all see how my goddamn Birthday month is going now. Anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I'm in the house now. I'm actually getting ready to leave though and go to my hair appointment. I just got in the shower or whatever. But I'm getting ready to go to my hair appointment. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because I don't know what this is about to look like. I really don't. And this is really important. I don't know. I'm so nervous. But if it look good, best believe y'all gonna see. I mean, y'all gonna see anyway. But yeah. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't feel like yelling. But I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna get some food on the way home. Look at my rings, y'all. Look at these one. And these one. I'm weird. I really like this chrome, you guys. Alright, I'm about to go because I'm not talking about nothing. See y'all when I get to the place. Hey, you guys. I'm all done. This is my hair. This might be the end of my vlog. I don't know yet, but I don't know. It has to warm up on me. I don't not like it, but I'm not used to it. So it has to warm up. I'm not a fan of this closure so much. She put black on my roots, and I don't know why. And I don't like that it's like so super flat right here. Like I wish it was I think I'm gonna get the flat iron and like bump it a little bit. But I mean, besides that, I love my color. My color usually always turns out good for real. But this is it. Y'all can catch me on the Snap. Catch me on the gram. And once I take a good selfie, I gotta find my good angle. But this is it. I don't like this one curl either. Well, I don't know why. I don't know, y'all. I gotta play with it. I definitely know I gotta make sure my eyebrows and stuff is done. I can't not have no eyebrows or mascara or nothing with this hair because I look crazy to me. I don't know. I gotta warm up. I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I just ate dinner. And now I'm just on my pedal rush. Now I'm just in the bed watching Sausage Party on Netflix. Oh my god. This movie funny as shit. I did not know it was about this kind of shit. Like I'm thinking, I don't know what the fuck I thought it was about. I don't know. This shit crazy. If y'all haven't seen this, y'all need to watch it. And I'm also uploading yesterday's vlog too. It's taking fucking forever. Like, once I get finished doing this, I'm gonna have to upload the one from today. Mad annoying. But anyway, I'm just watching Sausage Party, so yes.
Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you. Fool me 3 times, fuck the peace sign. Load the chopper, let it rain